I once asked my American coworker, "Would you mind if I borrow your pen?" She said yes. But then she whispered to someone else and they both smiled. I found out later, "Would you mind?" sounds like I'm demanding something. I should have said, "Could I?" I was accidentally being rude. For months.
Oh no, Jay.
Oh yes, polite on the outside, accidentally bossy on the inside.
And this is exactly why today's episode exists. If today's episode helped you, subscribing takes literally 1 second, and it genuinely means the world to us. We make this for you every single week.
I'm Jay.
I'm Mira, your weekly English fix. No textbooks, no boring drills, just real talk. Today we have one topic: could versus would. Two words that look almost the same, but feel completely different to a native speaker.
And by the end of this episode, you will know exactly which one to use in any situation without guessing.
We cover 3 real situations today where people mix these up, and we fix all 3.
Hey Mira, would you help me with something later?
Sure, but that feels a little direct.
Wait, what's wrong with that?
Nothing is wrong exactly, but it sounds like you already decided I'm helping. Let's fix it.
Hey Mira, could you help me with something later?
Yes, of course. See how that felt different? That version felt like a real question.
It really does sound different, even though the words are almost the same.
And if you just said would instead of could, you are not alone. Millions of English learners make this exact switch every single day. You are not rude. You just needed someone to show you the difference. Here's the real explanation. And there is no grammar rule to memorize. Just one feeling.
One feeling. Okay, I'm listening.
Think of could and would like 2 different doors. Could is a door you knock on. You're asking, "Is it okay if I come in?"
And would?
Would is a door you walk through. You're not exactly asking, you're more assuming the answer is yes.
Oh, so when I say, "Would you help me?" I'm basically already walking through the door.
Exactly. You walked in without knocking.
That explains the coworker situation completely.
So the simple rule: when you want something from someone, knock first. Use could.
But when do we use would then? It can't always be wrong.
Great question. Would is perfect when you're talking about yourself, your own plans, your own offers. I would love to help you. Or, I would be happy to come.
So would is for me talking about myself. Could is for me asking something from someone else?
Could equals asking. Would equals offering or imagining.
This is like a traffic light. Could is green. You're asking permission to go. Would is like, you're already moving.
Jay, that is genuinely perfect.
I have my moments.
You do. Okay, one more situation.
So could for asking, would for myself. What about at work? Because that's where I really mess up.
Yes, work English is exactly where this matters most. Imagine you need a meeting with your boss. Which sounds better? Would it be possible to meet tomorrow? Or, could we meet tomorrow?
I always said would. Is that wrong?
Not completely wrong, but could we meet sounds warmer and more like a real question. Would it be possible sounds slightly stiff. In everyday work conversations, could feels more natural.
So could is almost always safer for requests.
For requests, yes. Could is your best friend. Warm, polite, natural.
Let me try. Mira, could you review my script before tomorrow?
Perfect. Exactly right.
And I would really appreciate your feedback.
Jay, did you just use both correctly in 2 sentences?
Could for the request, would for my own feeling. Traffic light method.
Okay, I'm genuinely impressed right now. Everyone listening, did you catch that? Jay used could for the request, asking permission, then would for expressing his own feeling. Both correct, both natural, both in the same conversation.
It actually feels natural now, like I'm not thinking about it.
Quick fix time! Wrong. Would you help me? Sounds like you're assuming yes. Right. Could you help me? Sounds like a real polite question. Remember, could equals knocking on the door. Would equals you talking about yourself. You just learned something today that makes a real difference in how people feel when you speak to them. That's not small. That's huge.
Honestly, if I had known this earlier, I would have saved myself a very awkward pin situation. And probably several emails.
And possibly a few meetings.
Definitely a few meetings.
If today helped you, subscribing takes 1 second, and it genuinely means everything to us. We make this for you every single week.
I'm Jay.
I'm Mira.
Keep talking, keep growing.
growing.
This is Talk Mira.